Wow, this is how we jive for mass communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert and take out memory card to a Tapo C310 Security Camera. And here I have microSD card for this process. So you see I have a Phillips 4-headed screwdriver, and we have to see the cam at the bottom side. Here we have two screws. One, we have to take this or lose those out. I put here in a good surface, and we have to take out. So we have two screws. I take out one from here, both of them you see. Put one side. Take the memory card you want to use. 64, always better use class 10. Here you have to inject, you see the memory card. You have a picture drawing, you have to follow the picture how it is, and insert the memory card this way and put a gentle pressure. It's done, very easy and simple. Now you have to put back this one and tight those two screws. That's all. So this is very simple, easy tutorial guys to how to insert memory card. Same way you take out, you put a gentle pressure as this should come out. You see how it is. Take this out as this. That's all. So this is how you can insert and take out memory cards from your Tapo TP Link. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye.